If you ever need to upload and share a video on Google Drive, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want to back up a video, send a large file to someone, or share a clip with a link, Google Drive makes it simple and fast. And the best part is, once you know the process, you can do it again anytime in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is important because the file will upload to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look to the top left corner and click the plus new button. This is where Google Drive lets you create folders, upload files, and start new uploads. After clicking new, a menu will appear. From that menu, click File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer rather than creating a new document or folder. Your computer's file picker will open next. Now find the video file you want to upload. You can scroll through your folders or use search if you already know where the video is saved. Once you spot the file, click on it to select it, then click Open. At that point, the upload will begin automatically. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. While it uploads, you'll usually see a progress indicator in the bottom corner of Google Drive. It's best to wait until the upload fully finishes before moving on, because sharing too early can cause issues if the file is not ready yet. Once the upload is complete, your video will appear in your Google Drive files. Now you're ready to share it. To do that, right-click the uploaded video. A menu will appear with several options. Click Share. This opens the sharing settings, where you can control exactly who can access the video. In the general access section, you'll want to change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. This is the key step if you want to send the video to someone without adding their email manually. After choosing anyone with the link, set the permission level. For most cases, viewer is the safest option because it lets people watch the video without making changes. If you need someone to comment or edit, you can choose a different setting, but for simple video sharing, viewer is usually the best choice. Now click Copy Link. Google Drive will copy the shareable link to your clipboard and you can paste it into an email, message, or chat app. The person you send it to will be able to open the link and view the video based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Google Drive and shared it with a link. This is a really useful method for sending large video files, sharing project files with teammates, or keeping a backup you can access from anywhere. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.